Here are the top 5 most useful aviation features of the Garmin's newest pilot watch, D2 Mach 1 Pro. First, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. It comes in a nice large leather case. Let's go ahead and open it. This has the titanium band, feels really light too. Silicone band, kind of like a replacement band. Charging cable and a little screwdriver. What's interesting is that the charging cable now features a USB-C type adapter. Registration, manual, who cares that? That's it. Number 5. Aviation Alerts. Mach 1 Pro features alerts and reminders that are helpful for pilots while operating an aircraft. These include fuel tank alerts reminding pilots to switch fuel tanks, oxygen alerts if you exceed altitudes of 12,500 feet above or any set altitude, cross-track alerts if you are using the watch for navigation. We'll talk more about it a little bit later. New METAR and TAF alerts, and also change in the flight category alerts. For example, alerts when weather changes from VFR to IFR. Number 4. Battery life. Mach 1 Pro advertises impressive 25-day battery life so that you don't have to charge your watch before you go on an international trip. Of course, the battery life depends on the number of GPS-based activities, the display, and so on. But sure beats the Apple Watch out of the park. Number 3. Features for night flying. The display of Mach 1 Pro magically turns red after sunset or any time of your choosing, helping you preserve your night vision. This feature is called the night shift, and you have the ability to change the colors from red, orange, or green. Another coolest feature of this watch is the built-in flashlight. I usually have the flashlight color set to red, helping me see better without impacting my night vision. Number 2. The Fly app. The Mach 1 Pro has a built-in Fly app that uses altimeter, GPS, compass, and barometer to record and track your flights. The coolest part is the Fly app starts automatically when you take off and stops when you land. But I do want to warn you that from my prior experience with other D2 watches, this feature did not always work well as intended. However, I had a chance to fly on 2 occasions with this watch, and on both occasions this feature worked well. Additionally, the watch has a built-in worldwide airport database that you can use to navigate to any airport in case of an emergency. The watch also has a direct to button. When you press that button, it will show the nearest airports that will help you navigate to that airport in case of an emergency. One common question that I often get is, do I need smartphone connection or internet to operate this feature? The answer is no. The watch has built-in airport databases and built-in sensors that it uses to record your flights and also for navigation. If you have a Garmin Pilot app, you can also create flight plans on Garmin Pilot and transfer to the watch and vice versa. And number 1, drum roll please, it's the watch face. I love the default watch face that shows the METAR data pulled from the nearest airport or airport of your choice. And when touch and hold it, it will take you to the METAR for further details. There are tons of built-in watch faces and fields that are highly customizable on the watch. The screen is large AMOLED display that shows brilliant colors. This makes a perfect companion for pilots. This watch has so many features, it could take a while to tell you. But if you want me to make a full review video and compare with the existing Mach 1, the one with the leather band is the original Mach 1 and this is Mach 1 Pro. So do let me know in the comments below. Hey, if you like my content, please like and subscribe, and also please support me by supporting Flying Ice Optics. Flying Ice makes sunglasses and prescription glasses for pilots and motorcyclists. As a thank you, you get 10% off when you make your purchase using the code Aviator51. Check out the links below. Also, if you are like me who would like to record your flights, check out the links below on the mounts that I use, and you can actually get 10% off when you purchase in-flight mounts using the code Aviator51. I'll see you in the next one.